Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're going to tell you about the challenge coming up for the elf dolls. Any elf doll at all. We don't care if you use Christmas elves. In fact, if you don't have an elf doll, or if you just want to add another elf doll, we encourage it. Today I'm showing you my little elf doll that I bought on eBay. She's very small. She's about 8 inches tall. And this was a best gift. Joni at Stop Motion made this for her. And I think it's a fancy dress for a little elf. And this month's challenge that is put on by Dory's Dollies, Tina's Reborns and More, and Playful Reborns and myself is challenging your elf dolls to have either the best gift or a fancy dress. I think she qualifies for both. So that'll be fun. And we do the elf challenge on the 21st of each month at 10 a.m.
Central.
10 a.m. Central. Thank you, Darren. I always forget to say that. Any video that you have, and let us know when you upload a video for these challenges. Let us know in our comments so that we are sure to see your elves too. Thank you for participating in our challenges. We really appreciate it. It's such a good way for the doll community to knit together and grow our channels. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Aren't those the cutest little feet? Oh.